So this is our 20 HP VFD Sarv Jagat Corporation machine, the branded compressor with the 1000-liter air tank, front facing our PSIG with this Saaf Safai machine, this spray filter, the 150 CFM, the dryer 150 CFM with this after filter, carbon filter, bulbs. So automatic drain valve, and these are customer machinery which uses the continuous air there, and in machine in the air in the pistons of this compressor machinery uses this cylinder uses the air, and there are lots of machinery here. Afterwards, this is the manufacturing. They are installing many more machinery here. So in some few days they will install this type of 4 machines here, and it's run by the Sarv Jagat.